Baguio is a city in the mountainous area of northern Luzon, Philippines. It is known as the summer capital of the Philippines because of its cool climate, due to being around 1,500 meters above sea level. It's home to some of the indigenous people groups, one being the Igorot. It has many sights to see, but for us, it's simply a place where we've made some of our best friends. Here's a little video memoir of our visit.
Supposedly, we'll see the, ang tawag dun? Habulan ng baboy. The here piggy piggy, but it's finished already.
Baka magreklamo yung fans ni Jeremy. What's that tattoo girl always in your video?
Eh, bakit yun? Hello? Hello po. Ay, Ate Wami.
We're on a little adventure today. We're supposed to be looking for some waterfalls, but the rest of the group went ahead of us, and so we're just kind of figuring out the path right now along with this little puppy.
Punta niya sa bahay.
Sila sumasagot, naging ni Kruis dito dumaan. Oo yan, oo. Pero ba't dito sila nagdaan?
We've been in the forest for 5 minutes. We've run out of food. We've run out of water. Nababaliw na sila.
Yan o! Ay, saan kayo?
Ayan na.
Michael! Anje! Balen!
Yeah, oo, dito sila doon.
Si Carlo!
Yan.
Ano itong sangbatan cellphone niyo, Michael?
May ngamot dalan! Nahanap namin kayo!
Yan.
Saan ba yung daan dito?
Puros kayo damdaman?
Ang lalay na batok na yan! Wala tayo ng putik.
We're about to jump in. I heard it's really cold. Are you gonna jump with me? Are you gonna jump with me? Three. Water is nice and cold and refreshing. Feels so good. This is my shower for the morning. Trip mo, maligo. Ooh, it smells good. This is apparently some sort of abandoned drug laboratory that we're visiting right now. Let's check it out.
Pinutol daw nila to, natitilag nila. Sabes biglang tumubuli ng ganyan. Kaya sabi nila meron daw nagbabantay dyan.
Nagulatan!
Guava, bayabas. Ay, nako. Okay pa to? Sarap.
Red? I'm a red ba?
Sour. We just arrived at the manor to watch a show, but apparently it just ended. We're gonna go eat and then head back to Manila.
Ang buhay ko ay napakaganda. Very, very beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life is freedom. Let it go. According to the song.
Yes. But I reckon getting the tattoo was pretty cool. Like getting a tattoo from you was I was very memorable. I did nearly slip and fall and kill myself, but you know, life goes on. We're still good. No, it wasn't that bad. I think everyone thought it was worse than it looked. A lot of things just happened.
That's life. If
It's
it's
life.
your time, it's your time.
Yeah, that's it.
And it's not your time.
No, it's not yet. Not yet. I'm still here.